everybody, this is Robert the Tool Junkie, and today I'm in the shop with this nice simple tool. It's been around for a very long time, but that doesn't mean that you don't need one of these. This is a RIDGID tool. This is number 31090. It's a 10-inch aluminum straight pipe wrench. Pretty simple, but what's nice about it, it's still made in USA. It's aluminum, so it's lightweight. It's not going to rust on you. But the jaws are steel, and if you see here, they're removable. You can see you can replace the jaw. So that's nice. The jaws are not aluminum, they're nice and steel, so they're gonna last a good long time for you. And like any pipe wrench, it's nice and smooth. You twist the ring here to open and to close. This particular one accommodates up to 1.5 inches in diameter. It only weighs about 1 pound, and it's super simple to use. And you know, with any pipe wrench, when you put it in, to tighten it, you go one way, and then to loosen it, you go the other way. Very simple. If you're a plumber, you know you need this on your truck. If you're a homeowner or do-it-yourselfer, it's not bad to have one of these because they don't work on just pipes. They work on pretty much anything cylindrical that you need to get a good grip on. The negative to these is these jaws are very sharp, so they're meant for pipes that don't get seen. You do not use this for finish work. We'll have other tools that can do that with a nice smooth jaw, so you don't ruin the plating or the chrome on something. But for rough-in work, this is a fantastic tool made in the USA by RIDGID. Again, number 31090. It's a 10-inch pipe wrench. They come in all kinds of different sizes, but for lightweight work, this is a great one to have. So if you would, please like and subscribe this video. Leave a comment. Have you used these pipe wrenches before? Do you love them or do you hate them? Let's get that conversation going. We'll see you on the next video.